In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable 5.1 channel surround sound in Google Chrome on Windows. If you've been trying to enjoy your films, music, or games to their fullest with that immersive surround sound experience, but you're finding that your browser isn't quite living up to expectations, you've come to the right place. We're going to walk through a few simple steps to make sure you get the best audio possible. First things first, you'll need to exit out of Google Chrome completely. This means closing all instances of the browser so that any changes we make can take effect. You can do this by navigating to the Chrome window and just clicking on the X at the top right corner of the screen, or by using a shortcut like Alt plus F4 to close it. If you have multiple windows open, be sure they're all closed before moving on to the next step. Next, locate the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop. This is important because the shortcut properties are where we'll make the necessary adjustments. Once you find the shortcut, right-click on it to bring up a context menu. From this menu, select the Properties option, which is typically near the bottom. This will open up a new window where you can tweak the settings. In this Properties window, you'll see a few tabs at the top. Make sure you're in the Shortcut tab. Here, you'll find a field labeled Target. This field contains the path that tells your computer where to find and how to open Google Chrome. What you need to do is move your cursor to the end of the text in this target field after the path for chrome.exe. You're going to add a small piece of text here, add a space, and then type in Force Wave Audio. Ensure that there's a single space between the existing text and this new addition. Once you've entered this text correctly, you'll need to save your changes. Look towards the bottom of the Properties window and click on the Apply button. After applying the changes, click OK to close the window completely. These adjustments have now configured Google Chrome to support 5.1 channel surround sound. Now you can reopen Google Chrome and start enjoying that rich multi-channel audio experience. Make sure your audio settings on your computer are also set to support 5.1 surround, and your audio equipment is properly connected and configured just to maximize the experience fully. And that's it. You've just enabled 5.1 channel surround sound on Google Chrome for Windows. Go ahead, load up your favorite media, and enjoy the full-bodied sound that truly brings your content to life. Thank you for following along, and happy listening.